Hey, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to make a great intro inside of Invideo. It is super, super simple. I love Invideo. It's a great program with tons of templates. I'm in the editor right now, and I'm just going to I wanted to make a quick new intro for a video I just did this morning. And I came in here and found the template, and I'm inside the template, inside the editor right now. And it's real short. It's just an intro video. And when you go through here, grab this here and start sliding through. And I changed this text because to the website, win-win only. This was said advertise anything, as you can see down here. It's got the old information inside of it. And then there's a logo section as you slide through. I was able to just click, and the good thing about Invideo, you can save your brand and information and video, your logos and those kind of things inside the application. So once you click on it, you just click and it will pull up the options of what ones you have in here, and you can just choose it, drop it. You don't have to do any resizing, or I could resize this, but it's designed to fit inside the template, so I'm not going to do that. And then the last scene here, I'm going to roll into. I have not done yet. And I'm just going to put my website in, and it's as simple as clicking on it and editing it. I need to resize it a little bit, so that's easy enough by grabbing the side here so it fits. Pull that out so it looks good. I could change the text and go and do all sorts of different other things up here with the editor and change colors, but I'm going to just leave it as is. I just wanted to show you how easy it would be to create an intro, a great looking intro. And I'm going to play that now just before I save it to make sure it's got everything I want. Playing through now for a few seconds. And then it's going to jump to the logo. And then lastly, it's going to jump to the one I just did. Everything looks pretty good, but I want to capitalize the W's here. Make it stand out a little more. It's easy enough to do. Okay. And that's already been saved. The program does a lot of auto saving while you're working on things, which is great. But this is the layout of the editor and how easy it is. There's all sorts of things I could add to this as well, but I'm going to keep this really simple. And that's one of the beauties of Invideo. You could just take a template, modify it very quickly like that, and be done with it. I could get in here and do all sorts of other things granularly and add more scenes and do other things like that. But all I wanted was an intro. I didn't want to spend a lot of time at it. The colors are pretty close to what my brand is already, so I'm good with it. Next thing is just to click download. And because of the version I have, there's two options, but I have an upgraded version here that I got through the club, and I'm going to click on just export. And it's going to go ahead and take care of this. In a few minutes, I will be ready to download this. So it brings it into the project area. I probably ought to rename the project. I didn't do that. I forgot to do that. But you can rename these projects even at this point. And I'm just going to type in new when it's running a little slow because it's rendering right now. Doesn't usually go that slow. Intro. And that's it. A couple minutes, it's going to be saved, and I'll be able to download that. So that's now been renamed. And that's all there is. There's just so many templates. I'm going to open up another here, and I'm going to show you real quick. Let's just go here. So that's going to keep working in the background. I could go ahead and make another video. It shows you finished videos up here. I just want to give you a quick little overview. So I'm probably going to want an outro video. So I'm going to type outro and click enter. And look at all the outro templates there are. These are outstanding. So I'm going to take this one. Looks good. I can add all my info in there and go ahead and click on use template. So again, that's how easy it is to use Invideo. This is going to now load up the editor, and I can go ahead and make my edits to this video and have a new intro and a new outro for the video I'm doing that I created today in just a couple of minutes. It's awesome. You don't have to have any technical skills. You really don't. You can go deeper with this tool, but for doing fast things like that and not having any background or skill sets in making videos, you can suddenly have yourself great intros and outros, and they're super simple to do and edit and utilize, like this one here. I'll just give you a quick another continuation here. So that's still loading there. And actually, interestingly enough, they give you more like this down below. So that is how easy it is to use Invideo. I think you'll love it. If you have not joined it, you can join it through the club. You can go to BuyTools.Club. That's BuyTools.Club. And we have this for free, which saves you $29 inside our membership. And this is a software club and digital marketing club that saves you thousands of dollars every year. So go over there and check that out. You can get access to Invideo and many, many other great video marketing tools. Okay, if you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video as well. It really helps out. I really appreciate it. Have a great day.